like a whole log, but they were all too big and I don't have a chainsaw at this point in my life. I think it's birch. After the hurricane, we had a lot of trees go down, so I found this tree and kind of separated some of the limbs, and I kind of just bundled it together, adorned it with the baby's breath. Up really late last night, just kind of having a little relaxing craft night. I made this little husky keychain and I'm obsessed with it. I think I'm gonna use this one as a bag charm, and I'm gonna put it on my favorite little purse right now. I didn't film it last night because it was just too dark and the lighting was just not working. I'm gonna take a little photo shoot of all the little critter charms that I've made and probably post it on my art Instagram. I got more little key rings from the art store last night, and I had like some other little charm pieces that I used. And I also got this like indestructible glue as well. I also got my favorite boba. It's a strawberry milkshake with aloe and strawberry. So somebody recently saw this keychain that I made that I keep on my purse now as like a little charm. So I'm gonna make a pink and white one for her. This is my very first order. I just love making these, and I think it's so cute that somebody actually wanted to buy one for me. So while the adhesive is drying in here, for the little pen in the head, I'm gonna go ahead and make a bead soup of all of the bead colors that I think I'm gonna use. Okay, so I have it hanging here because I did apply some metal jewelry glue to some of the hinges just to ensure that everything was going to stay together. But this is her. She's super cute. I added a little locket on here. Okay, I'm literally gonna give this to her in person, but I thought it would be really cute to write like a little handwritten note. And I'm just using my little wax sealer to seal the envelope. So I have another little haul today. I went to Hobby Lobby and they had a huge sale. So I got these little donut charms. These pretty little like glass beads that look like little flowers. Some more keychains. It's heart keychains. And I saw these that were super cute. I got some more gummy bears. I think I'm gonna make some little earrings out of this because I used to have some earrings just like this, and then I lost one. I was really sad, and I saw these. I was like, I can literally just make it. I got 2 strings of little tulips. I figured I'll try some of this E6000 because my other glue is jewelry glue and metal glue, but it's just not holding as well.